was a great pleasure to work for Charles Township for over 28 years. I'd like to thank the mayor, the township committee, for the opportunity they gave me to serve the residents of the township. And I have to give a special thanks to Township Harold for his assistance, his support all through the years that I was working here. Also, I have to say thank you to Mr. Albertson. It was very nice to see him tonight, that he helped me a lot when I was in the planning board. I will miss you all, and also I will miss the interaction that I had every day with the residents. I had a great time so far with my retirement, and I'm looking forward to spend a good time with my family and my kids and my friends. Thank you very much.